Hello, today we are going to solve these two problems from UGC NET Paper 1. Let's see the first problem. We have to choose the missing term out of the following given alphabetical series. Okay, so let us first write the alphabets together with their corresponding numbers in alphabetical order. We know that J is number 10th alphabet, A is 1, 11 is K, here also 11, it is 2, it is 12, 12 with 3, 13, now it is 14, it is 4, it is 14, sorry, it will be 13. Okay, therefore the alphabetical series become a number series, that is 10, 1, 11. This is the first cluster of numbers. Then we get 11 to 12. Then we get 12, 3, 13. And lastly we get 13, 4 and 14. We can see the pattern here. If we add plus 1 to each of the numbers of column 1, we get the column 2. If we add plus 1 to each of the numbers of column 2, we get the column 3, and similarly if we add plus 1 to each of the numbers of column 3, we get the column 4. Therefore, the last column that we need, this column will be get by adding 1 to each of the numbers in column 4. Therefore, we get first 14, because 13 plus 1 is 14, then we get 4 plus 1 5, and then 14 plus 1, that is 15. Now the alphabet corresponding to these numbers are M, E and O. This will be N, NEO. Therefore B is the correct answer. Now let's solve the next question. Problem number 25. Okay. Here we are given one number which is 345xy, and if the number is divisible by 90, we need to find the value of x plus y. Now we know that to be divisible by 90, the number must be divisible by 9 and 10. To be divisible by 9, the sum of the digits must be divisible by 9. Therefore 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus x plus y is divisible by 9. That is 12 plus x plus y is divisible by 9. And if the number is divisible by 10, if the number is divisible by 10, then the last digit must be 0. Therefore, y is equals to 0. Hence, 12 plus x is divisible by 9. Okay. 12 plus x is divisible by 9. Therefore, 12 plus x is must be 18, as this will be the minimum 2-digit number which is divisible by 9. Therefore, the value of x is 6. Hence, our correct answer is the option D. D is the correct answer. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.